So the other day, earlier this week, I was having a debate with one of my close friends about keto. I don't remember exactly how we got onto this topic, but we were debating and we were talking about it for a while, and we came to the talking point of how would keto affect your gym? You know, how would it affect your gym progression? How would it affect your physique throughout the week? It really interested us, and I did some research online, and I really just couldn't see anything too exact. But I wanted to do it for myself. I wanted to go fully keto. Keto is pretty much a state that your body can be in when it starts using your fat cells as its primary source of energy. So in order for your body to get to that state, you have to be eating less than 20 grams of carbs or less a day. Carbs are your body's primary source of energy. Think of carbs as like a burst of energy, right? Like if you drink an energy drink, you'll instantly have, energy for the next hour or two, and then you might crash, right? So it's kind of a quick burst of energy, but it's not really long lasting and it's not sustaining. Compared to using your fat and protein as 4 energy sources, they're a lot more of a slower burn, so they're a lot more of a longer lasting, slower energy source. They don't give you that quick burst like an energy drink would, but they'll give you that reliable energy source, like let's say if you got a good night of sleep, for example. At the very least, I'll learn how my body will react at a ketogenic state and to see if it actually is an advantage to me or not. But anyways, guys, intro out of the way. I'm gonna take you out to Target with me right now. We're gonna go shopping for the week, get some few, essential keto groceries. Come on, let's hit it. Alright guys, we just got to Target. I went straight to the produce section. One thing I'm gonna always tell y'all is always stay on the outskirts when it comes to shopping. You don't want to be in the aisles too much, Alright, we're gonna have to get a variety of meat. We're gonna be eating a lot of protein and a lot of fat these next few days, so I'm gonna have to switch it up so I don't get bored. Get that salmon on me. Gotta get that peanut butter. It's an essential. Reduced fat, I don't know why I'm holding that. Let me just put that back, you know what I'm saying? We really need that. Yeah, that full. We need as much fat as we can on this diet, so I'm getting that full peanut butter. These egg life wraps are a huge hack. I'm not even gonna lie. They have pretty much virtually no carbs in them whatsoever, and I'm not gonna lie, they don't taste like bread to a certain extent, but it still is a lot better than having nothing. If you're used to eating wraps, it's a great alternative on keto. Cheese is a big thing on keto, man. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna be eating some type of cheese with every single meal these next few days, so I'm gonna get a variety, switch it up. That pepper jack, some cheddar, mozzarella mix. That cheese is gonna make my food taste really good. It's gonna make me look forward to my meals. I'm not even gonna lie. Cheese is such a hack, and it's one of the biggest weapons when it comes to a keto diet.
Yeah, everything that I do, I imagine it. Had no clue, but I knew I was talented. I won't lose, it's a tool that I'm passionate. Yeah, we got some fashion shit. Lights, camera, action this. Way she move her body, drive me crazy, gotta smack that shit. Baby pocket watching, hold on, let me get.
Alright guys, we've got ourselves a fire meal for dinner tonight. Got some chicken, cheesy chicken with some chicken bratwurst sausages along with some avos on the side. It's a solid meal, man. I'm starting to really get creative with it. All we got is fats and protein to work with, but that doesn't mean you gotta eat bland. That doesn't mean my meals can't look good, taste good and make me feel good. Nah, we really did it. Second day of the keto experiment. This is gonna be a kind of a upper body accessory day for me today, so I usually will do arms, a little bit of shoulders, prioritizing biceps and triceps mostly. So I started off with some lateral raises. I'm not gonna lie, I be spamming those lateral raises. I try to do them like 3 to 4 times a week, just because I am really trying to expedite my shoulder growth at the current moment with this bulk. So I really go ham on those. Sometimes I even do them before and after a workout, just depending on how I'm feeling that day. But yeah, I definitely went crazy with the bicep curls, not gonna lie. Alright guys, I made some egg life wraps, chicken wraps today, man. They look amazing. Took advantage of those egg life wraps we got earlier this week. Calories on the side with ingredients as well.
Can just be honest with me. I know how it felt when them niggas used to laugh at you. Go and get some racks to finish, switch up and come at you. Everything that I do, I imagined it. Had no clue, but I knew I was talented. I won't lose, it's a tool that I'm passionate. Yeah, we got some passion shit. Lights, camera, action clips. Way she move her body, drive me crazy, gotta smack that shit. Baby pocket watching, hold on, let me get a paper clip. Niggas said I own me, a phony, I ain't say that shit. I ain't got a rollie, I put racks up for my mama crib.
Hope y'all enjoyed that little montage. Had to switch it up, but anyways, middle of the week, Wednesday, man. I'm making some burgers today, man. I'm not gonna lie, it's been a fat minute since I've had some good fatty, not lean, fatty burgers, man. These are like, I'm not even gonna lie, they probably like 20% fat, but it's gonna be so good. Have a sausage with it on the side, and then I think I got some chicken breast that I'm gonna. Alright guys, my favorite day of the week, deadlift day. I love deadlifts. It's my favorite lift. I look forward to it the most out of anything else as far as the gym is concerned. So I just like to start out with a 2-plate warm-up, just to kind of get my lower body activated, kind of get my glutes and my hips, you know, locked in and warmed up real well. Alright guys, so this is actually going to be my top set of the day. I'm gonna just hit 405, and then I'm gonna actually go back down, deload, and I'm gonna do 3 plates. I kind of like to go on and off with the top sets. I won't PR every week. I'll PR every other week, and then on weeks I'm not PRing, I'll just do working, you know, like 90% of my PR, and then I'll do deload sets. So I'll go back down. I usually just rep them out till failure. Ooh, we got some chicken cooking. I'm saying, I'm not gonna lie, I'm starting to get a little bit tired of that grilled chicken. We got a very high protein meal today, man. One thing I'm gonna definitely remember from this is how easy it was to get my protein in. I don't have to even think about it. I definitely don't have to track it. I just know I'm most definitely getting my protein in regardless of, you know, how much food I'm eating. Last and final day, doing an upper body accessory day. Now my second lower body day is going to be tomorrow, Saturday, but I was originally going to do this as a 7-day experiment, but for the purpose of the video length, I didn't want it to get too boring and carried on, so I reduced it to 5 days. So this will be the last day of the keto experiment. Now it's going to be another upper body accessory day, so I'll start off with some shoulders, you know, really focus on shoulders, doing some laterals, forearms, a little bit of biceps, and I also will do a little bit of tricep work. Love doing those shoulders, man, not gonna lie. Alright guys, I just wanted to kind of give y'all a physique update at the end of the week. One thing I definitely will notice is I am decently flatter, not by too much, or at least by as much as I would have originally thought, but I am flatter for sure. Cooking up some burgers today, man. One thing I'm gonna definitely miss are these burgers, 100%. Even if we got no bun, it's just still something that I'm definitely gonna miss. Grilled chicken too with the cheese.
All right guys, it's the last and final day of the keto experiment, man. So obviously not everyone needs to do keto, guys. You know, there's so many ways to lose weight and there's so many diets out there that it just really is. I would not recommend someone to hop on keto for the first thing, you know, when it comes to weight loss, because overall, calories in, calories out is the most important thing that I always stress to everybody. You know, that's the most important way to lose weight, regardless of any diet, regardless of any of the type of foods that you're eating. Calories at the end of the day are king, and they will determine everything.
I'll definitely will do a longer version of this in the future. Even if I don't make a video on it, just for myself, I want to go maybe a month or two on keto to truly reap all the full advantages, because you know, I only kind of dipped my toes in the water with this. I didn't really go all the way with it, and I kind of got to see a little bit of the beginnings of what your body really is truly like in a ketogenic state. But I kind of want to, you know, carry that on, continue that on, and want to kind of track that for a longer time. I wouldn't say this diet is for everybody, but it can definitely help, you know, combat poor food habits and people that eat processed foods and are, you know, just eating bad junk food, you know, their whole life. You hop on this, you will definitely be forced to eat cleaner just naturally, you know. I really hope you guys like kind of vaguely seeing my workout split. You know, I didn't really go too in detail with the workouts, but I just want to kind of give you an overall look on what I do from day to day as far as my training goes. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys want to see next, what type of foods y'all want to see being made anabolic, man. Let me know for real. I really do appreciate everyone's insight. Anyone that comments, I always really do try and genuinely look at the inside. I genuinely want to create content for the audience, and I don't just want to put out stuff that people aren't, you know, engaged with and are benefiting from. I really would appreciate any type of interaction down in the comments below. Man, thank you guys. Tastyandanabolic, as always, it's been a great one. Peace.